Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into the world of American muscle with a closer look at the 1966 Chevy Camaro Z28. While the Z28 officially hit the streets in 1967, the Camaro's 1966 origins laid the foundation for this legendary performance machine. Let's explore what makes the early Camaro so iconic. The 1966 Chevy Camaro was designed as Chevrolet's answer to the Ford Mustang, and it arrived with bold styling and aggressive performance options. With its long hood, short rear deck, and clean lines, the Camaro exuded a sporty and dynamic character, perfect for the muscle car era. Although the Z28 trim didn't officially debut until the following year, the 1966 Camaro featured a variety of potent engine choices, including the legendary small block and big block V8s. These engines offered impressive horsepower and torque, making the Camaro a force to be reckoned with on the street and track. Inside, the Camaro was just as exciting. The cockpit was driver-focused, featuring comfortable bucket seats, an easy-to-read instrument cluster, and an optional center console with sporty touches. It offered a perfect blend of performance and practicality, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. The Camaro's introduction in 1966 set the stage for decades of automotive greatness. Its versatile platform made it a favorite for racing, customization, and cruising. Today, the early Camaro models, especially the Z28, are celebrated as some of the most iconic muscle cars ever produced. Thanks for joining us as we explored this piece of American muscle car history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Trend for more amazing stories about classic cars. See you in the next video.